Hi, I'm Greg Hanna, founder of Transformational Learning Solutions and the author of this online course. Welcome to the online course, How to Use a Pendulum to Communicate with Your Unconscious Mind. The purpose of the course is to teach you the basic steps necessary for any use of a pendulum and the specific pendulum protocols for change work and uncovering hidden truths. You will need your own pendulum for this course. If you don't have one, you should go back and watch the video Pendulums and Things in the section Getting Started. You can make your own pendulum or you can order one from my website using the link here. I look forward to seeing you in the first lesson.